Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of send files to TV app. You click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about send files to TV and we click here. In this page of app info you click on first stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.